Are you tired of spending a fortune on beauty products without knowing what actually works for you? A beauty subscription box might be just what you need. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the best beauty subscription boxes that offer incredible value for your money. From skincare and makeup to hair care, these boxes deliver an exciting mix of products right to your doorstep every month. Let's dive into Boxy Charm, Allure, Lookfantastic, FabFitFun, and Sephora Play to help you decide which one is worth the investment. Kicking off our list at number 1, Boxy Charm. Boxy Charm has become one of the most popular beauty subscription services, known for offering high-end beauty products at an affordable price. Each month, subscribers receive a curated box containing 5 full-size beauty products, including skincare, makeup, and tools. With a value that typically exceeds the subscription price, Boxy Charm is loved by beauty enthusiasts for the variety and quality of products it offers. Key features. One of Boxy Charm's standout features is its full-size products. Unlike many beauty boxes that provide sample sizes, Boxy Charm delivers premium-sized items, including well-known brands such as Tarte, Fenty Beauty, and Too Faced. The subscription also allows subscribers to choose one of their products each month, giving them a bit of control over what they receive. Plus, the brand often offers exclusive discounts for members to purchase full-size items from their monthly boxes. Benefits and usage. Boxy Charm offers an exceptional value for those who want to try new products without committing to full-size purchases. Each box typically contains a mix of makeup, skincare, and beauty tools, allowing you to explore a wide variety of products from well-established and emerging brands. The value of the box usually exceeds the subscription price, meaning you get more than what you pay for every month. For best results, incorporate the products into your daily beauty routine. Usability. Boxy Charm is incredibly user-friendly. After subscribing, you simply wait for your box to arrive each month. The online profile allows you to list your preferences and needs, such as skincare type or preferred makeup shades, ensuring that the products you receive are tailored to your personal beauty routine. If you want to shop additional products or shop their past boxes, the Boxy Charm website makes it easy to browse and purchase. Durability. Boxy Charm delivers high-quality products that have staying power. Whether you're receiving a long-lasting lipstick or a skincare item, the products are durable and effective, lasting beyond the month you receive them. The fact that you're receiving full-size items also means you get plenty of usage before running out. The subscription value continues to impress as long as you stay subscribed. In the second spot, we have Allure. The Allure Beauty Box is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a beauty subscription that offers a curated selection of top-tier beauty products. This monthly box contains a mix of skincare, makeup, and hair care from both cult favorite and up-and-coming brands. With a focus on delivering premium products, Allure's beauty box provides a sampling of luxury at an affordable price. Key features. Allure's beauty box provides 5 to 6 deluxe-size samples, as well as full-size items occasionally. What makes this box special is its curated collection, where the team behind Allure handpicks the best beauty products based on performance and popularity. You'll often find well-loved products from high-end brands like Dr. Dennis Gross, Sunday Riley, and more. Subscribers also get access to exclusive discounts on beauty products through the Allure website. Benefits and usage. Allure Beauty Box offers a great opportunity to try a wide variety of luxury beauty items at a fraction of their retail price. Each box is carefully curated to meet the latest beauty trends, and you'll often get an inside look at new and limited edition products before they hit the market. For best usage, try incorporating the items into your beauty routine, and don't forget to check out the exclusive promotions for additional savings. Usability. Allure makes it easy to enjoy your beauty box. You'll receive an email or notification when your box ships, and the unboxing experience is always exciting. Each item comes with a detailed insert that explains the product and how to use it. This ensures you're getting the most out of each product and that you're not overwhelmed by unfamiliar items. Durability. The products included in the Allure Beauty Box are typically high quality and have excellent durability. From long-lasting makeup products to nourishing skincare, the items are designed to perform and provide lasting results. Additionally, many of the samples and full-size products you receive will last well beyond the month you receive them, allowing you to truly enjoy their benefits. Coming in at number 3 is the Lookfantastic. Lookfantastic is known for offering an impressive variety of skincare, makeup, hair care, and wellness products from top international brands. Their beauty box is packed with high-quality items from luxury and indie brands, making it a perfect choice for anyone who loves to explore new beauty trends. Each month, you can expect a curated selection of premium products that complement your beauty routine. Key features: Lookfantastic Beauty Box features 6 items per box, including a mix of skincare, makeup, hair care, and occasionally wellness products. The products are mostly deluxe samples, but you'll also find full-size products now and then. Subscribers get access to exclusive offers and discounts through Lookfantastic's site, as well as a sneak peek at the products included in each upcoming box. Benefits and usage: Lookfantastic's beauty box is perfect for anyone who wants to try luxury beauty products without the hefty price tag. With products sourced from renowned brands like Elemis, Rituals, and Moroccan Oil, this box allows you to pamper yourself with the best in beauty. The curated selections ensure you can try a mix of essentials such as moisturizers, serums, shampoos, and makeup. For maximum benefit, incorporate each product into your routine as directed. Usability: the Lookfantastic Beauty Box is simple to use, and the subscription is very flexible. You'll receive an email when your box ships, and once it arrives, the products come with detailed instructions on how to use them. Each box is neatly packaged and easy to store, allowing you to keep your beauty products organized and accessible. Durability: Lookfantastic Beauty Box features high-quality products that offer lasting results. Whether it's a skincare product designed to hydrate your skin or a hair care product that tames frizz, the items included in the box are crafted to perform. The longevity of the products means you can use them for weeks, even months, to see their full effect. Taking our 4th spot is FabFitFun. FabFitFun is a beauty subscription box that stands out from the rest by offering a mix of beauty, lifestyle, wellness, and fitness items. Each season, quarterly, FabFitFun delivers a box filled with full-size products, ranging from skincare to fashion accessories. This subscription box offers a personalized experience, where subscribers can choose a few of the items they receive, making it a great option for those who want more control over their selections. Key features: the main selling point of FabFitFun is the fact that each box is packed with full-size items. Subscribers receive a wide variety of beauty, skincare, wellness, and fitness-related products that cater to different aspects of a balanced lifestyle. The seasonal boxes allow you to pick certain items, which adds a layer of customization. FabFitFun also often includes exclusive brand collaborations, giving you the chance to try unique products. Benefits and usage: FabFitFun offers a well-rounded box for individuals looking to focus not just on beauty, but on wellness and lifestyle too. The full-size products offer great value, and the selection varies each season, making each box feel fresh and exciting. Whether it's skincare or fitness gear, the subscription covers all your bases. To get the most out of it, incorporate the items into your daily routine or use them during your wellness-focused moments. Usability: the FabFitFun experience is user-friendly, with the website allowing you to customize your box by choosing your preferred items. You'll also find helpful guides for each product, making it easier to learn how to incorporate them into your daily routine. With a seasonal delivery, FabFitFun keeps the unboxing experience interesting and something to look forward to. Durability: because FabFitFun includes full-size items, you get a lot of use out of each box. The beauty and skincare products are high quality and designed to last for weeks or even months. Additionally, lifestyle and wellness items are often useful for daily routines, meaning their durability extends beyond just beauty and into your broader lifestyle. And finally, at number 5, we have Sephora Play. Sephora Play is Sephora's own beauty subscription service, offering a curated collection of high-quality sample-sized beauty products each month. With a focus on skincare, makeup, and fragrance, Sephora Play brings a luxurious beauty experience to your doorstep for a fraction of the price. It's ideal for those who want to try premium brands without the commitment of buying full-size products. Key features: each month, Sephora Play delivers 5 deluxe size samples that include skincare, makeup, and fragrance. The box often features high-end beauty brands, with exclusive access to Sephora's latest launches. Subscribers also receive a Play card, offering 50 bonus points for every purchase made at Sephora. This gives a bonus benefit when shopping for your favorite products after discovering them through the subscription. Benefits and usage: Sephora Play is a great way to explore premium beauty brands without the upfront investment in full-size products. The samples you receive are perfect for trial and error, allowing you to figure out what works best for your skin and beauty routine. Follow the instructions included for each product, and enjoy experimenting with different products without feeling overwhelmed by too many choices. Usability: Sephora Play is incredibly easy to use. Each month, you receive your box filled with hand-picked beauty samples that cater to your profile. The box itself is compact and portable, so it's easy to store or carry around when traveling. Plus, with the Play card, you earn rewards that can be redeemed for future purchases. Durability: Sephora Play sample sizes are perfect for trial purposes, allowing you to get an idea of how a product works before committing to a full-size purchase. While the samples may not last as long as full-size products, they give you a great opportunity to test out new products without wasting money. The quality of the products ensures that you get the most out of each sample, even if it's just a few uses. And that wraps up our review of the best beauty subscription boxes. Whether you're looking for luxury skincare, makeup, or wellness products, these 5 options provide excellent value and high-quality items. Choose the one that fits your beauty goals and lifestyle the best, and start exploring a world of beauty delivered right to your doorstep. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beauty product reviews. Happy unboxing!